ಮನೋಜ್,
Yes, sir.
ಇದು ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ರು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. ಇನ್ನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 1 or 2 minutes ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್. Let's wait for a minute or two. Let everyone join, guys. ಗುರುವೆ, ಆಯ್ತು ರಾಜು. Okay, good morning, guys. You will respond at least for 10-15 minutes. Respond, guys. Yes, good morning. Yes, guys, good morning, guys.
Good morning, sir.
What about others? So, okay, guys, let us see one more program today. That is the fourth program. Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, guys, so what is we have seen in the first module the two line drawing algorithms, right? So first one was DD algorithm, that is digital differential analysis algorithm, and the second one was Bresenon's line drawing algorithm. So in the DD algorithm, so what happens is we need to do the rounding function. So in Bresenon's algorithm, what we did was we did not do the rounding function. We used to get the exact answers. Okay, we used to get the exact answers in the Bresenon's algorithm. So in DD algorithm, the answers were not precise. So in both the algorithms, what we did was we knew the starting point of the line and we knew the ending point of the line. See, guys, if this is the line for you or if this is the line for you, so we knew the starting point and we knew the ending point. In between, we did not knew anything. We did not know anything, guys, in between. So what we needed was we needed to find the intermediate pixel values. Take the example, this might be 0, 0 or 5, 5 or 6, 5 or it may be anything. It will be 10, 5 or 10, 10 or 15, 15 or anything. We knew the starting pixel values and we knew the ending pixel values. Correct? Yes or no? We knew the starting pixel values and we knew the ending pixel values, but we did not know the intermediate pixel values. Am I correct? We knew the starting pixel values and we knew the ending pixel values. We did not know the intermediate pixel values. Correct? Is it correct what I told? Okay, guys. Correct or no? Yamini, am I audible? Kavya?
Yes, sir.
Respond, Madrama. See, guys, in the line, we know the starting pixel values, we know the ending pixel values, or we know the starting pixel values and we know the ending pixel values. Intermediate pixel values namak ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. We need to find the intermediate pixel values of a line. In DD algorithm, what we were supposed to do was we were supposed to do rounding. In Bresenon's, we were not supposed to do rounding. We used to get the exact answers. Let us see what will be the output. See here, if I run this program, what I need is I need starting pixel values. Let me give 0, 0, 0, 0, and let me give 23 comma 24. See guys, we know the starting pixel values, guys. We know the end point of, we know point 1 and we know point 2. We don't know intermediate pixel values. What we need to do is from the line starting from 0 comma 0 to 23 comma 24. So this is x1 is 0, y1 is 0, x2 is 23 and y2 is 24. So we need to find the pixel values in between those two. Is the screen visible? Yamini or someone? Guys, is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we need to find the intermediate pixel values, guys. See here. So this is the pixel values. Intermediate pixel values from 0, 0 to 23, 24. How many of you are using laptop? Let me take one more value, 5, 5 and 13, 14. Okay, this is the output. Guys, did anyone see the output? First of all, did anyone understand the output? Reply understood. You. This is not fair, guys. Mahima. Did you understand the output, guys? What is the input given and what is the output got? Others. See, 37 people are there. Basham. Hey, Basham, at least first you see what should be the given as input and what should be given got as an output. See here, let me give 10 comma 10 and 15 comma 15, 15 comma 16. See here, these are the intermediate pixel builders between 10 comma 10 and 15 comma 16. Manoj Kaif. Guys, you people know the line formula, right? Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c, and where m is the slope. Do you people know or not? Manoj, Kaif, Mahima. See, Mahima, you people know the starting pixel value, and you people, let me give another value for this one. Let's not be in a hurry. At least see here. Let me give 30 comma 35 and 50 comma 51. See guys, what we have done is see ನಿಮಗೆ change ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ position 0,0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. See guys, if you give the pixel positions 0,0 0,0 5,5, where is the line starting? It is starting at the bottom. If you see, if you go on increasing 10,10 and 20,20. Here the line position has changed from 0,0 to 10,10. Guys, if you listen, you can understand, guys. Simple ಆಗಿದೆ. Next 50, 50, 50, 50 and 53, 53. Line is not inside the viewpoint, it is outside. So let me give 30, 30 and 40, 30, 30 and 33. 30, 30, 33, 33. See here, it is at that position. If I give the value above 50, it is not lying inside the plane. So clipping has been done. So at least you people understood this one. What is the input given and what is the output given? If you have understood, reply IO, input output. Guys, and you people know the line formula y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope, that is m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, at least we four people, Mahima, Manoj and Mohammad Kaif. Guys, while giving the pixel values, can I give the initial pixel values greater? First, what you need to find is, you need to find the difference between y2 minus y1 and difference between x2 minus x1. Okay, so let us go through the code, guys. First, let me close this one. Did anyone run the code? Let me open the code. First, what you are supposed to find is, you are supposed to find the difference between x2 minus x1. And next you are supposed to find 2 into delta y minus delta x. So if the point x1 is greater than x2, if the first point is greater than x2, the second point, these cases we have seen, right? If x1 is greater than x2, the current value will be x2 and the current y value will be y2, and x2 will be x1 and y2 will be y1. Go through this, guys. The same DD, this one resonance algorithm, what we have seen. Once again, I will share resonance, the normal algorithm to you people. Manoj, ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನ. You share it to your friends in unofficial group. Manoj, you share that one in your unofficial group. So you can give RGB or any color, guys. The simple changes what I have told you people. So in the code only I'm going to change the things. ಈಗ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಲೈನ್, ದ ಲೈನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್. Here the line is in red color. Mahima, Kaif, Manoj, did you people, can you people recognize this one? The output we got in red color.
Sir.
In comma 15. Earlier we used to get it in black color. Now we got it in red color. If you want the same line in green color, what we do is we need to set this bit to 0, 0, 1, 0. Now the same line we are going to get it in green color, guys. 1, 1, 10, we got the same line in green color. Mute yourself, guys. And let's see what possible changes we can make. Yenappa? I'm not able to hear you. Yen Manoj? Manoj, message ಮಾಡು ಡೌಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ರೆ. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ವೈಲ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ರಜಾ. ವೈಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ x2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮನೋಜ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. While x is less than x2, what happens is line goes on incrementing. You'll note x is less than x2. Current point is less than the next point. So what happens is while x is less than x2 ago vargo, it is going to increment. It is going to increment even y. If y is less than y2, what happens is still y is less than y2, it is going to increment. Once when y or x equal to x2 ಆದರೆ y equal to y2 ಆದರೆ we are going to stop there. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮನೋಜ್, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸೈಜು ನಿಮಗೆ 4.0 ಅದೆಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಎ ಡಾರ್ಕರ್ ಲೈನ್, so let me take 10,0. if you see now, you're going to get the line in a more thicker one. You make these changes in your project or see here now you people got the line in thicker way. Mahima, can you see the difference, ma?
Yes, sir.
You do these changes, it's more than enough. Even cube also you can convert that into a square. Okay, if you place a square and above that square if you place one a triangle, it looks like a hut, right? It looks like a hut. If you do that one, that's more than enough, ma. Mahima or anyone, Manoj or Kaif or anyone. You do one thing, just create a square. Above that you place a triangle. It looks like a art, right? You can place here and there some rectangles like window, and you can do that one. Okay. And what other changes we can do? Window size. Let me give 50 comma 50. 50 comma 40. Okay, let us take this example only. Let us see. 10 comma 10, 30 comma 30. Nodi ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Can you see the window? It has opened somewhere here. Did you see the window which has opened?
Yes, sir.
10 comma 10. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಟಾಪ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 10 comma 10, 20 comma 20. See here, it has opened here. Can you see my mouse with this green color? Can you see this one? Mahima, Manoj, Kaif, Basham.
Yes, sir.
That change you can do, ma. So these are the changes. This is a simple algorithm, guys, resonance algorithm. So in the next class, we shall see the Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm. Guys, tomorrow is the last day to get vaccinated, it seems. Yes, guys, if you people have laptop, do practice this one. Simple program ಇದೆ ಇದು. See, guys, whatever the programs, 4 programs, what I have done till now, that is Cube, Sierpinski Gasket, and all these are all easy programs, guys. So last 2 programs are tough. So let's find a way to discuss that one. Most probably by the time offline classes will start, I think. Okay. So by that time, you people please go through at least these 4 programs and that Cohen-Sutherland algorithm. I'm going to discuss this week someday. Okay. Aramse, you people go through this one, guys. Hey, I'm not making fun of you people, or I'm not blackmailing. It will be offline exams, guys. It will be offline exams. Be serious. Okay. Okay, guys, I will share the screen to you people. You can go through.